Once upon a time, in a field beside a river, there stood a sturdy oak tree, boasting its mighty trunk and sturdy branches, looking down upon the humble reeds that grew by the river's edge. One day, a great storm swept through the land, with fierce winds howling and rain pouring down. The oak tree stood firm, resisting the tempest with all its might, but the reeds bending low in the face of the tempest, dancing gracefully with the wind, bending and flexing without breaking. The oak tree was amazed by their resilience and called out, saying, "Why don't you fear the storm, little reeds? How can you stand so calmly while I, the mighty oak tree, tremble with every gust of the wind?" The reeds replied calmly, "Your strength lies in your rigidity, but our strength lies in our flexibility. While you resist the storm, we bend with it, yielding without harm. So your pride might be your downfall, but our humility ensures our survival." Later, a great hurricane rushed from the north that made the oak tree fall among the reeds, torn up by its roots. The mighty oak tree learned a valuable lesson from the humble reeds. The valuable lesson is understanding the true strength lies not in the resistance, but in the adaptation and resilience. It is better to yield when it's folly to resist than to resist stubbornly and be destroyed. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.